Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Written by 10 eminent professors, it had been updated to reflect the shifts of sociological thought in the last 5 years, making it the most comprehensive, authoritative, and contemporary dictionary available. It was essential reading for all students and teachers of sociologies and other related courses, and also for the general reader. Scholars build their own personal libraries to support not only particular projects but also general reading. In their field, they buy or make photocopies of materials when possible, so they can consult them frequently, mark pages and write annotation on them. When moving into a new field, they add to their collections, usually concentrating on primary texts. A rainbow is a colorful arc in the sky formed after rain, caused by sunlight refracting in water droplets. It displays a spectrum of colors, from red to violet, and is admired for its beauty and symbolism. Our major conclusion is that the current measure needs to be revised. It no longer provides an accurate picture of the differences in the extent of economic poverty among population groups or geographic areas of the country, nor an accurate picture of trends over time. The world's fifth largest continent, Antarctica is almost entirely covered by ice 2,000 meters thick. The area sustains varied wildlife including seals, whales, and penguins. The Antarctic Treaty signed in 1959, and enforced since 1961 provides for international governance of Antarctica. Chocolate is a beloved treat made from cocoa beans, sugar, and other ingredients. Known for its rich, sweet flavor in various forms, from bars to truffles, chocolate is enjoyed worldwide. It often brings joy as a dessert or indulgence, and dark chocolate, in particular, is recognized for potential health benefits due to its antioxidants. A canteen is a place, often in schools or workplaces, where people can buy food and drinks. It provides a convenient and social space for meals and snacks. Canteens offer a variety of options, from hot meals to sandwiches, and can help ensure that people have access to nourishing food during their day. To prevent mosquito-transmitted diseases, approaches based on genetic control of insect populations are being developed. However, many of these strategies are based on highly invasive, self-propagating transgenes that can rapidly spread the trait into other populations of mosquitoes. corporate life refers to working in big companies or businesses. People have jobs and roles within these companies, like managers, workers, and more. They often work in offices, follow rules, and collaborate to achieve goals. It can be busy and competitive, but also rewarding with opportunities for growth and success.
Welfare has a special political meaning to the United States because it refers to how the poor receives financial aid. In comparison, welfare services are regarded as a universal right in other regions like Europe, where it is believed that all citizens should be able to obtain a minimal level of social support and well-being. The Arabian Sea is a body of water located between the Arabian Peninsula and the Indian subcontinent. It's part of the Indian Ocean and is known for its warm waters, serving as a vital maritime trade route and hosting diverse marine life. Bolstered by the result of laboratory experiments, researchers dare to say that gaming might be mentally enriching. These scholars are the first to admit that games could be addictive, and indeed part of their research explores how games connect to the reward circuit of human beings. Genetics is the study of heredity and the variation of traits in living organisms. Genes, which are segments of DNA, contain instructions for specific traits. Inheritance patterns, such as dominant and recessive genes, determine how traits are passed from parents to offspring.
USA sexually teased its troops in the First World War to make them fight harder. Believing that sexually satisfied men could not be easily motivated, the aim of this teasing was to generate unmet sexual desire, which the War Department could leverage as motivation to fight.
A constellation is an area on the celestial sphere in which a group of stars forms an imaginary outline or pattern, typically representing an animal, mythological person or creature, or an inanimate object. The origins of the earliest constellations likely go back to prehistory. Australians do speak English. However, for some tourists and travelers, it can be difficult to understand the slang. Also, the links between Australian and American English were seen to be very tenuous. At least some colloquialisms in Australian English do not exist in other types of English. A watershed stores rainwater once it filters through the soil. Once the watershed's soils are saturated, water will either percolate deeper, or run off the surface. This can result in freshwater aquifers and springs. Also, water moves through the soil to seeps and springs, and is ultimately released into streams, rivers, and the ocean. Fast food is quick and ready-to-eat food that is usually sold at restaurants or food outlets. It's convenient but often not very healthy, with options like burgers, fries, and fried chicken. Regularly eating fast food can lead to health problems, so it's important to balance it with nutritious choices.
Audio Jungle.